At the top right corner where it shows the username information that's been logged in, Transaction Services has a settings module. And when you roll over settings, there are two different settings types: account settings and user settings. User settings are specific to the individual user account, and account settings are specific to the entire account and all the users underneath it. The user settings page includes some default information for the account and for that user, so they can customize the way that the entire module looks for their individual user account. Some of the settings include the time zone, the page that the user starts when they first log onto the site, the number of records that is displayed per search. In this instance, we're displaying 20 records per page, but you can expand that if you'd rather see more data in any one search. We have dashboard preferences that include the various dashboard modules. Those can be configured and then placed to the user's preference. And then the user-defined preset names, where a user can go ahead and add a user-populated name that would appear on the various screens where that's required. And then finally at the bottom, we have a report layout description where we allow customers to configure their own customized report settings. Please contact Transaction Services Customer Service for additional information on how to get custom report layouts. The account settings allow me to set a pre-populated name for all users. In other words, instead of having user number 1 enter invoice number and user number 2 entering customer number, you can designate a single invoice number and all of your users would then be prompted for the same thing. In addition, Transaction Services optionally supports Purchase Card Level 2 and Purchase Card Level 3. This is where the virtual terminal will actually prompt you for additional information when entering an order. The advantage of which is that your credit card transactions can qualify at a better rate for business-to-business purchases. We can default some of the values such as the tax ID and the invoice number. However, user-defined data, specifically as it pertains to level 3, is most commonly used with a direct integration. Transaction Services supports a full, robust XML API or application programming interface. And again, contact Transaction Services Customer Service if you want additional information about integrating with our systems.